To change the battery on your propane tank sensor, follow these steps. First, pry open the lid with a screwdriver at the alignment marks around the edge of the sensor and carefully remove the lid. Inside, remove the battery. Add a new battery with the positive side facing up. Now, position the lid so that the alignment marks meet. Press the lid and re-engage the snap fittings. Next, open the app on your mobile device and wait for the battery status to update. Finally, reattach the sensor to your propane tank. For any troubleshooting questions, contact Lippert Customer Service at 432-LIPPERT. That's 432-547-7378. Or support@support.lci1.com or email customer service@lci1.com. Thanks for watching.